everybody! Today I'm going to be making a really quick, easy and nutritious recipe from Knorr's 21-day meal plan. So if you're interested in downloading the meal plan, you want some nice new ideas of what to make in the comfort of your own home, then why don't you go to www.knorr-whatsfordinner.co.za and download their 21-day meal plan. There's lots of great ideas there for you. So today is a cauliflower soup. Cauliflower is awesome because it's full of vitamin C and it also contains zinc. First you're going to need some chopped onions, okay, some croutons, garlic flakes, your Raja medium curry powder, a little bit of olive oil, honey, salt and pepper, and the secret ingredient, which is a good old Granny Smith apple. So let's start by just chopping up the apple. You're going to add your cauliflower, a half a packet of your Knorr garlic and herb potato bake, and then 1 whole liter of water. Now leave it here for 20 minutes to simmer. So it's been 20 minutes, now it's time to season it. Little drizzle of honey, tiny bit of black pepper, sprinkle of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. But now let's blitz, let's make it smooth. So now it's time to serve up. So there you go, served with some homemade croutons and some delicious crusty seed bread, and of course a little bit of decadent butter. It's the perfect TV meal, at home, and nutritious and delicious.